Your kid can't stop coughing? Ditch the chemical syrups for this secret kitchen remedy that brings relief in minutes. All you need is 1 large orange, a pinch of salt if your child is 2 to 5, or half a teaspoon if they're older, a pinch of turmeric, and a teaspoon of honey. Slice the top off the orange like a lid and carefully scoop out the pulp, leaving the peel as a cup. Place this orange cup on a pan over low heat. Add the salt and turmeric inside and heat for 1 to 2 minutes until it bubbles and darkens. Remove it from the heat, let it cool for 1 minute, then stir in the honey. Serve it warm to your child morning and night for 3 days to soothe their throat and boost their immune system. This is for kids over 2 years old. Please consult a pediatrician first if your child has allergies or is younger. Comment if this works for you, save this video for later, and follow for more.